How to use Duck Creek. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Duck Creek. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Duck Creek, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Duck Creek, it is a software company that specializes in providing modern cloud-native technology solutions for the property and casualty and general insurance industry. At its core, Duck Creek offers a comprehensive suite of software as a service, application, and low-code platforms designed to help insurers manage the full insurance lifestyle, including the policy administration, billing, claims, data analytics, distribution management, and payments, with greater agility, speed to market, and operational efficiency than traditional legacy systems. And now in terms of the products that they offer in here, you have intelligence AI, billing, claims, clarity, policyholder, and many more. So let's start by knowing these claims. Basically, it is an end-to-end claims management with tools to handle first notice of loss, investigation, settlement, reporting, and compliance at scale. So basically, the main purpose of claims is to simply manage the full life cycle of a policyholder loss event from when the claim is first reported until it's resolved and paid, in a way that is efficient, accurate, and compliant. So basically, in short, that Duck Creek offer the claims that the system is to capture the loss events, manage decision-making, and payments to ensure compliance. They even partner or integrate with all of these kind of companies to make the compliance easier, and to even streamline the internal workflows and support better operational and strategic outcomes. Well, some of the product that also offer by Duck Creek includes the policyholder, which also of solutions that provides insured customer with seamless self-service digital experience that allows them to easily access and manage their insurance policies. So basically, using this, the customer can view policy, submission or details, download documents and make payment, submit and track claims, request endorsement, and receive notifications. And now, aside from some of those kind of products, they also offer the capabilities in here, which is this Duck Creek platform that is to serve as a flexible cloud-native foundation and enables insurance carriers to build, configure, and manage their core insurance operations efficiently. And it says here that using this, it can increase the speed to market and operational agility, improve customer experiences, and lower total costs of ownership. And aside from that, it also provides low-code tools, open APIs, and reusable components that allow insurers to rapidly design insurance products, integrate with third-party systems, and even to automate workflows. Some of the features including some of this kind of integration on Microsoft, Verisk, Gradient AI, and many more. And it also adapts quickly to regulatory and market changes, reducing reliance on legacy systems. And now, aside from that, if you also manage to see some other products in here, such as capabilities, the support and services, it will show you a variety of features that you could also navigate using Duck Creek. Let's say this one, the payments. By clicking on it, it will show you in here that using these services, it will enable and secure, efficient, and compliant handling all insurance-related financial transactions. And Duck Creek Payments allows insurers to accept and disperse funds across multiple channels and methods. And now, aside from those kind of product, under the solution section in here, this one provides a comprehensive suite of modern cloud-native insurance and technology solutions that support the entire property and casualty and general insurance lifecycle, helping partners, carriers, operate more efficiently, innovate faster, and deliver better customer experiences. Its solutions include policy administration for coding, issuing, and servicing insurance products, rating engines to automate pricing and risk classification, billing system that manage invoicing, payments, and collections. Speaking of that, we could also navigate under X system option, the overview of it, in which it captures how it connects with partners, third-party vendors, and broader industry and services to add value across the insurance technology landscape. That's why it will show in here some of their partners. And now to start using this Duck Creek, all you need to do is to go back to this page or home page and click the Get Started button, for example in here. Once done, all you need to do is to fill out the required information, and that include your first name, last name, your company, your business email, your position to that company, and many more. But you might also need to pay for some of the plan that they offer before using this Duck Creek. Now moving on, under support and services that is offered by Duck Creek, including this Duck Creek University. This one provides structured education and certification that help insurers, partner and professionals effectively use and maximize Duck Creek solutions. It offers a role-based training, hands-on courses, and certifications covering the Duck Creek platform, core systems, and best practices, enabling users to build skill faster, ensure consistent system adoption, and even reduce implementation risk. While aside from that, it also navigates under the product section, and here it is what they call the industry content, in which it provides insurers with pre-configured best practice templates, workflow rules, and regulatory components that accelerate the implementation and reduce complexity. So basically, this content helps carriers quickly launch or update insurance products while staying compliant with local regulations, standardizing processes, and minimizing the need for extensive custom development. Here are basically some of the features that they offer, and even the benefits, their partnership, and some of the resources that the insurers can use. And basically, by leveraging this industry content, the insurers can seamlessly save time, reduce the risk, and focus on innovation and customer experience rather than building core operational components from scratch. And aside from that, by using Dufrex, you could also use this reinsurance feature that is to help insurance carriers efficiently manage the risk transfer and optimize capital usage by automating the administration of reinsurance contracts, treaties, and accounting. These are basically some of the trusted and reliable reinsurance management system, and also the key features that they offer of it. They have here for claims, accounting, and reporting, with each corresponding purpose and also benefits including on it. And using this, it improves the accuracy, reduce manual effort, and ensure regulatory compliance, which also provides carriers with better insight for strategic decision making and financial stability. And for that, some of those are just only some of the features that offer by Duckwork on how you can start using it. So basically, using Duckwork technologies is very straightforward once you understand its modular structure. And the insurers is typically starting by logging into Duckwork on-demand cloud platform or their local deployment and setting up their environment by assigning user roles, permissions, and integrating any external systems or data sources. So that is just basically the step one on how you can start using Duckwork, and followed by configuring the insurance products using the low-code tools to define policy rules, pricing, and coverage. And again, you also need to understand some of those products that has been mentioned earlier. And to start signing in, all you need to do is simply go in here and click Explore SAS Solution. And under this Duckwork On Demand, all you need to do is simply fill out some of the required information needed. Then you can now start using Duckwork. And overall, that is just how you can use Duckwork. Thank you.